How to add Green Dot card to Apple Pay. Make sure your Green Dot card is compatible with Apple Pay. Green Dot prepaid cards are generally compatible with Apple Pay. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app. If you don't have it on your device, you can download it from App Store. Choose the option for credit or debit card. You can enter the Green Dot card details manually, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the card details, you may be asked for verify your card. You might need to activate the Green Dot card for online or mobile payments. You will get a confirmation message. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.